Alright guys, we're back, finally. She's running, she's idling. Listen to that kitten purr, baby. So out of that pack of springs I showed you earlier, I ended up using all of them except for these two, this one set basically. And I adjusted the carburetor right here on the side. There's a small bolt, little Phillips head screwdriver area right there. Our curb idle RPM is about 800 RPM. We are sitting right now at idle. Have everything off. There's a little rooster going in the background as usual. Right now we're sitting at about 1,000 RPM, just under 1,000 RPM. So it's basically idling. Yay! So we're running off of the front tank, the one that I rebuilt. If you guys remember, I painted it red like a crazy guy. There's our fuel gauges reading. Our oil's good, battery's good, temperature's good, and this is what we're looking like on the chingadera right here. Let you know how many miles I got on there, how many kilometers. All right, and we're sitting at just under 1,000 RPM. Yay. Alright, so when I pull up to a stoplight, I mean, it's still idling a little bit high. I want to bring it down just a little bit, obviously. But you see my foot's not on the gas. Pretty responsive. That's for any vehicle, man. It don't matter what year, make, or model it is, you know. You could have a brand new whatever. If you don't change the oil and take care of it, or charge your battery, or whatever it is you got to do, it's gonna die. Same thing with a, found on road dead, whatever. You can love them or you can hate them. Do what you want. It's all good. But hey, I love my Ford. I don't care. I don't care. You can love it or hate it. Like I say, no worries. Much respect. And hey, there's the train. I'll shut up. Alright, so my truck is original four-wheel drive. I believe that's also original, and that's also original. Yeah, I got Dolby, yo, back in the day, old school Dolby surround sound. It is not an LTZ or LTD model, XLT, whatever, you know what I mean. But hey, she's idling, finally. She is alive, baby. We don't have any fuel leaks there. I do have to pump up the tire, as you can see clearly. And she's still idling nice and party.